Pet shop.
Dog, dog, puppies. Human. You're human, not dogs. Understand?
Huh?
He's not a dog, 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 he's not a dog. Ahem. That customer looks suspicious. You go check on him.
No, I'm scared.
Although I'm not good at teaching children, this must be taught to him. That is, he's not a dog himself. Now it's because he's still young, so I don't care much about it. But wait until he grew up. Four-legged rampage. All kinds of weird behaviors. Although I may not have to raise you that long. In any case, let's prevent it first. Listen, you have to understand that you're a human, not a dog. First of all, there are many differences between humans and dogs. This is a human hand. This is a dog's. See who your hands look more like? It worked? Now look here! These are dog's ears, and this is humans. So you understand everything? It seems that I think too much. How could he possibly think he was a dog?